Hello students, I am Priyanka Chaudhary from RBNB College, Srirampur. We are going to study about the 12th Science Physics chapter number 3 Kinetic Theory of Gases and Radiation. So now to study the kinetic theory of gases and radiation, first we should know about the matter. So what is matter? Matter is any substance which has mass and which occupies the space. So first we will study matter. So this matter is nothing but it is the any substance. Matter is any substance which has mass and it occupies the space Now this matter is divided in three states. The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gaseous state. So the first state is solid state, then liquid state and gaseous state or gases. Now in these three states, if we consider about the particular things of these states, then we can say that solid is a material which is rigid. So solid is a material which is rigid. Then liquid is a material which is not rigid. And gaseous state of matter is also not rigid. Then the shape of solid is a fixed shape. So solid has fixed shape. If we consider about the liquid, so liquid does not have any fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is inserted. So we can say that liquid has no fixed shape. As well as if we consider about the gaseous state of matter, then gases also does not have fixed shape. So it has no fixed shape. Now if we consider the volume of solid, then the solid has fixed volume. Liquid also have fixed volume. And if we consider about the gases, then gases does not have a fixed volume. So no fixed volume. So these are the common three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. Now in this chapter, Kinetic Theory of Gases and Radiation, we have to study about the gaseous state of matter. That means these gases are not rigid. The gases have no fixed shape. Gases doesn't have any fixed shape, and gases have no fixed volume. So this gaseous state we have to study in detail in this chapter, Kinetic Theory of Gases and Radiation. Now in this chapter, the name of the chapter is Kinetic Theory. So what is the meaning of kinetic theory or kinetic? So kinetic means it is related to motion of object and the forces and energy associated with it. So kinetic means related to motion of object and forces and energy associated with it. So now in this chapter we have to study that there is a motion of gases or gas particles, and we have to describe it by using kinetic theory of gases. So this kinetic theory of gases, KTG, it describes a gas as a number of identical submicroscopic particles. So gases consist of number of identical submicroscopic particles. So these submicroscopic particles are called as atoms or molecules. So KTG describes gas as a number of identical submicroscopic particles. That is, gases consist of number of particles which we call atoms or molecules of the gases. Now in these atoms or molecules, the molecules are continuously or constantly moving. That means the molecules have constant, rapid and random motion. So the molecules of the gases are in constant, rapid, random motion. Now the size of these molecules is very small as compared to the average distance between two particles or two molecules. Now from this we can say that the kinetic theory of gases relates macroscopic particles, macroscopic properties to the microscopic properties of gases. So we can say that kinetic theory of gases relates macroscopic properties of gases to microscopic properties of gases. So what are the examples of these properties? So for example, pressure or temperature, these are called macroscopic properties of gases or gas molecules. So these macroscopic properties are related to microscopic properties, for example speed, kinetic energy, momentum. So basically in this chapter what kinetic theory is describing, so it gives the relation between these macroscopic properties, that is pressure, temperature, with the microscopic properties speed, momentum, kinetic energy. Now there are some assumptions of kinetic theory of gases. So first we will see the assumptions of kinetic theory.